Hey there, I'm Jennifer Bands, and today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make these Instant Pot lemon chicken thighs. Hey guys, welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. We are going to make some chicken thighs, lemon chicken thighs in the Instant Pot. I am a huge fan of making bone-in chicken thighs in the Instant Pot. They make them super juicy and tender, full of flavor, and really quickly, not splattering grease all over your kitchen. So we've already removed the skin from these chicken thighs because skin on the chicken, the skin's not gonna get crispy, it's just gonna be flabby, add a lot of fat to your liquid, it's just not gonna be good. So we remove it. And now we can really season the meat of the chicken really well. So I'm gonna season this with salt and pepper. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put my chicken thighs, I've got 8 bone-in chicken thighs without the skin. I'm gonna put them in my Instant Pot. Try and get them all in one layer on the bottom. So now for our Instant Pot liquid, you have to have a liquid. If your Instant Pot requires more than a cup, then you're gonna want to add a little bit of water to this, but I've got a cup of chicken stock, or you could do 1.5 cups of chicken stock, just whatever your Instant Pot requires. And I'm going to add the zest of 1 lemon, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1/2 teaspoon of dried thyme, and 3 cloves of minced garlic. So we're going to just stir that. And now I'm just going to pour it over our chicken in our Instant Pot. Now I'm going to place the lid. Make sure it's set to sealing and not venting. And we're gonna cook this over high pressure for 10 minutes. So I just hit the manual button, 10 minutes, and then let it go. And then it's going to beep, it's gonna come to pressure, and then after the 10 minutes have counted down, we're gonna let it just sit there for another 10 minutes and do a natural pressure release. Well, then when those 10 minutes are up, we're gonna pop this valve here to release the rest of the pressure so we can open the lid. So now we just wait for these to cook, and then I'll show you what they look like. Okay, our lemon chicken thighs are ready. Instant Pot lemon chicken thighs are ready. And you can just see that so much liquid is created from the Instant Pot. So I normally just discard the liquid, but you could make like a sauce out of it if you wanted to like thicken it up with some cornstarch or some xanthan gum. But this chicken literally, look at that, it just falls off the bone. It's so moist, it's so good. So be sure you check out this recipe. These would be perfect on if you like shredded them off the bone and put them over like cauliflower rice or mashed cauliflower. So good. Or you could even put them on a salad with a lemon poppy seed dressing. Oh my gosh, I have a recipe for that on my blog. I have a strawberry chicken salad with lemon poppy seed dressing. It is so good. This chicken would be really good on that salad. So anyway, check that out. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.